What up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy ELG, and we're back to check out more new music. So today we're checking out the new Gloombringer EP. I was told that it's a 3-song EP. One of them is an instrumental, and the other 2 are actual songs with vocals. So I'm excited to check this out. The homie's band, he's been telling me about it. I haven't had a chance to, react to it. I'm reacting to it now. So I hope you guys are ready to check out some heavy music. I definitely am. It's right up my alley. Haven't checked any out in a while. Doesn't seem like. Maybe we have. I can't remember. But nonetheless, we're checking out some Gloombringer, Dismantling Existence. I'm excited. I hope you guys are too. So let's get started. Let's get some Gloombringer on. Let's go. Yeah, I think it's always good when you get to check out some heavies and things like that. So gets the blood going, gets you hyped up, gets you ready to go, gets you ready to take on the day. I'm all about it. So let's get this video pulled up. Gloombringer, Dismantling Existence, the full EP. It says it's 8 minutes, 20 seconds. Let's check it out. Here we go. Song 1, Gravitational Dissection. That guitar sounds good. Oh, that cymbal came in. The visuals look like it's like a alien attack on some zombies or something. I'm all about it. Oh. Look at those drums. That guitar. Oh, wait. Oh, track 2. Intergalactic Flesh Harvest featuring Cardiomyotomy. I think that's how you say it. Oh. These vocals. Oh, this is heavy. I'm loving it. What's happening? Ugh. These vocals are disgusting in a good way. drums. That guitar. Oh, the bass. Oh, let's switch up. Oh, the flow down. Fight music. Oh. You know, it's good vocals when they sound like a clogged up sink. I love it. Absolutely love it. Killing it. It sounds like we're going into track 3. Pro Beyond Recognition featuring Disoctomy. Probably said that wrong. Oh well, we're about to check them out regardless. Let's see what they got. I'm loving this artwork. And I'm loving these vocals. This is so nasty. That guitar. What was that? That 808 came in. It's like chaos is going on. I love it though. That 808 in the background. Oh, damn. Oh, damn. Gloombringer. You brought some gloom, I tell you that. Damn, that was heavy. I loved every second of that. Musically, all the instruments, the vocals were absolutely disgusting. That drums in the back, all the guitar riffs, that shit was fire. Damn. I had reacted to Gloombringer before. I think we did an EP of theirs. It's been a year, 2 years maybe, since the last time we checked them out. I can't remember exactly when, but I know that they are heavy. This shit was absolutely fire. It still baffles me how these vocalists can make these disgusting noises with their voice, and it sounds so good. And then lay on some heavy double bass, some nasty fills, bring in some guitar that's got some nasty riffs, just disgusting. The bass gets that little time to shine right there in that one song. Just have that 3-5 second little mini solo. I love when the bass player can get a little bit of time to shine. Absolutely love it. Gloombringer. That was nasty. I know I probably butchered the names of some of the features on there. My bad. But I can tell you, all 3 of those songs were absolutely disgusting. I appreciate you reaching out to me and asking me to check it out. This is one hell of a way to start out a Thursday morning with some heavy music. I'm all about it. Gloombringer, keep killing it. Keep doing your thing. Absolutely filthy, disgusting. The vocals blow me away every single time. I hope you guys enjoyed that whole EP reaction. Make sure if you haven't done so already, you like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Make sure you go over there and hit Gloombringer's channel up. Go hit up their socials, all that stuff, man. Go show them some love. They are heavy, and I'm all about it. Go out there, be great, be the best version of yourself that you can be, and I will holler at y'all again soon. Till next time, peace out.